because I mean my position as in Kosohin of Dumasian Tonchen. Na memfa my position as a transformation 108 foundation founder any leader and Tonchen. Now beside me say me ankasa say JNANA me pa chaw Canada Japan ne BAWUMIA omumu hwan na wo bepe say only dia meka say I would prefer say Canada Japan nka onwene now this is here and it's different from what the stars are saying. My church was star num obviously don't say it make saying tell me again any apart from be as a many MPP many this you know as an individual I meet make but stars and they can ask them and their calculation no answer say they go what they mean fan to change say me yen koso hin to change me fan to change say me the founder of transformation 108 in to change now be me as JNANA as an individual I'm going to give you my reasons. I am going to give you my own reasons. May say yeah, the stars are not to change. Yeah, and one thing a man can Japan so that number one or ballot so that's what the go will catch them. So that number one. Piadio. Yeah, your calculation no numerology me that to change. Yeah. But me as an individual and who be some say Canada Japan any BAWUMIA why na me person winning I make us me say Canada Japan or winning. It's not because say there's any perfection in Canada Japan. But I believe say Nana Akufo-Addo a better so from 2017 all the way to 2024. BAWUMIA was an integral part of that governance system. Within that 8 years, baby again a 3 year baby do you so when you no krekani na won your partisan politics you will know say Ghana equality so many years me dey make me name Canada Japan and you know me JNANA me not because I need anything from anybody me name BAWUMIA but I tell you BAWUMIA is a very smart intelligent man. I'm being sincere with you. At times people seem to when I say, oh, something share. You don't know that BAWUMIA guy is smart. He's a very intelligent man. On your stupid, he's so learned. This is the truth I'll tell you. Me, you know, I'll be kind of natural. BAWUMIA is a smart man. He's a very intelligent man. But I'll catch them and say, me as JNANA, BAWUMIA ne can when I'm a person only lead the MPP. Maybe in the future, maybe obey me about when I be president, I'll be Bugana Maya. Make us a me as an individual. Not say the stars in it and change. Not say me young Kosohin would do Monsieur. Not say me the founder of Transformation 108 Foundation. But as JNANA an individual, I make us a person can. Yeah. Maybe I told me my blogger be a me faha and got to abundant contesting. My kind stars in a way. I'm telling you. I read the stars. My go through. We will be away faster. I'll be who the ambassador check. Yeah, and starting there. Maybe the months is starting there because starting there. The waka and waka. Okay, so they make an old check here, and they are here 28 fee. Me check in and then. Or more garbo no 2 to 5%. And you're big extra. You know, ultimately, born home more than fast. I'll be to me a buffum. Yeah, the stars not to change. Stars no in nature now. You're meaning to control no. They're not to change. So I'm so now. Me, I'm them because what of Dumasuya. The I am for any politics in Tiana, so they are twinching. And what you saw me, the Coca see any my friend transformation 108 Foundation. I am the founder and the leader. And also, you were NDC for women, people for women, and so they are twinching. But now I'm coming to me as an individual, JNANA Chakshus Das. I would prefer say, Canada Japan and win it. The India makers are say. MPP governance system no year 2017 to 2024. Maybe among some of you guys, you don't sit down to analyze. The American you wouldn't get it. But be a Ghana free you could do year and sana years 2025. Wouldn't need any idea. My more example. 2017. Metofie bi ewo kwabenya school junction. a 3-bedroom with a very nice company. It's a beautiful place. A 3-bedroom house. 2017 as I'm making. Me to a field 320,000 Ghana cedis. I say, before you boldly say Ken will win, now you have hired a lawyer. Oh, no. I didn't say second was going to win. They may count with that time in second Japan should not go on independent. Because you're too many we are no be who the reason to America. And don't get me wrong. Whatever is going to happen in the election, by second never win you, say BAWUMIA never win you. Can the Japan still have integral power in the MPP because of competition or the BAWUMIA and the BAWUMIA so they man. You understand that? And the idea 2017 me to fear 3 bedrooms. I walk a school junction. Me to fear no tie years on politics there moderna BAWUMIA fa kana fa no van 20 no munti de make. I bought a house of 3-bedroom, nice house, automated gate, CCTV camera with fear hall, now a security fencing, boho with fear hall. All the 3 bedrooms in now come with toilet and bath. Your kitchen back on your living room can see air condition with dining in name and a wall guest toilet and bath. Me turn 320,000 Ghana cedis. That is 3.2 billion. 2017, first quarter of the year. See, I am no say I want 2026. Make I say, okay, I'm going to start my you could be 2024. You be 2024. If you are metono last year, a year 2024, November, December, 4 bedrooms, metono $160,000. As a 3-bedroom now, a bank I'm at best $120,000. That time na dollar no 17 cedis no, na $100,000 no 1.7 million. The 200,000 that's no back one. Nigga say, almost 2 million Ghana cedis. If you are metono 2017 na 320,000 Ghana cedis. Tieniye. After 8 years, you know, I feel cronano. Oh, overturn almost 2 million Ghana. That should tell you, baby, a Ghana free from 2017, basically 2024. Around 2016, yeah, baby, $2 dollar no around 4.2. Tini. I didn't know big $100,000. Now I amount something around 420,000. See, 420,000. Yeah, about 2016 because never done what 4.2 something. Yeah, about 2024 no. Na dollar no I was 17. To be $100,000. I amount 1.7 million. Tiye 17 billion cedis. But 2016 no, $900,000 no, only 4 billion. And until for these 8 years, no, baby, a Ghana jump could do, no. Some of you, more yes, analysis we. Until you be MPP name the end this thing, no unnecessary. But I saw say from 2016, ebesi 2024, baby, a Ghana jump free yet, tiko, no. So you'll be a own shell no year. You will understand, say, Ghana got a very bad experience. Tell me when you say, BAWUMIA was part of the MPP governance system now from 2016 now, 2017 to 2020 no. And it's such a person now, or so close to the governance system no. On minor course no. So no say on the Kenya Japan about the contest here. Personally, as an individual, I prefer say Kenya Japan. On one personal life, Ghana has said, oh, well, you may be around that. On one for fun, or anything. I said, another forget global crisis. I mean, kind of credential. And Ghana and Kwana never go through global crisis. No, the crisis was everywhere. But the Ghana city was there a baller from 4 point something up to 17 Ghana city. No, No. Yes. And the crescent, you call a lot of things, COVID, the moon, and one. Yes. But that was too bad. That was too bad. And to me, as somebody that's very analytical, no, I feel say no. Even though BAWUMIA, I believe say, oh, you're very smart, or you're very intelligent. He's a smart guy. But when it comes to governance system, the see here from 2017 to 2024, so only BAWUMIA, only can as me as an individual, not as the NAB for JNANA, not as a numerologist or a palmist or an astrologer, not as a leader of transformation, not me and Kasa as an individual. I mean, I prefer say Canada, Japan, and Co. And one other thing I may person make can be a month for being also. So what the trend in the world that democracy na ema will be a kwan. Emanity decided the oppressor ye. A juma oppressor ye. A tidy oppressor share. Small oppressor summon. The global democracy no. There's some big problem coming up. Se bibianko stopuna. You don't know. The whole world democracy is at stake. Yeah. It's at stake. The India makers are say, I'm a very religious person. I am not a Christian. I am not a Muslim. Yeah. I prefer to be left alone to practice my own faith. I believe in reincarnation. I believe in many things, and I know that these are realities. I am not a Muslim. I am not a Christian. But I want to be allowed to practice what I believe in. Me here compulsion be am obi nkan kire me say. Okay? Me mpese obi be kire me say wo so yes no. I'm a vegetarian for many years. I believe say it is not right for me to kill animal because I want to feed my tank. No. If I want to satisfy my pilot, I feel say I don't have to kill animals. This is my life, and I want every authority to allow me to do this. But our democracy now we are saying, it is at stake. Tiye, one who nim sebi who is some ignorant person be sebi, and I can win tiye ni no will support no maybe akeke. Okay? You know maybe you haven't met enough ideas so now one change because you don't want to create any panic in there. But what I'm saying is even though my analysis and every I can't change it because this is the stars. Or maybe you know bit me are working on their own. Whoever is able to overcome each other, no, the person will become. Even though me, I know who is going to win. I'm not going to say that here. I am not saying this as in Kosohin of Dumasia and not as the founder, the leader of transformations. The American say, I am speaking as an individual person, and I prefer say, can Japan be winning since BAWUMIA be winning? Because say the previous administration, okay, say Mahama, they always say, I'm not an NDC man. But I'll be kind of crowd who say, Kwaya Mahama first will book my no. Compared to what we experienced 8 years ago, it's like Mahama is doing so much wonderful thing. But to me, he is not doing anything serious. Tianiye, me say, who compare what is happening now in Mahama administration and the experience 8 years? As if Mahama ya dear Kasibiyama. Because 8 years ago, no na enye. And then Amadi Mahama ye I say ya did be one. Yes, Mahama buy akwan na MP before shall see nyina or twaso. And then you be anwa because MP before buy no and this is for the oman twaso. So what I'm saying is so you be away very analytical. Now when your MPP ni and desire more political partisan political you be now you'll be a kind of cry. You know normal you go through from 2017 to 2024 they are terrible. You will be on so close to that governance system, no. BAWUMIA, he was a vice president, he was this, he was that. Not necessarily partnership or saying about Biuna or Ken and a back contest here. I would prefer Ken will win. Should win. That's why I should put it. Ken should win. Now look what China. The whole we are sitting in the democracy in my war coin. ma wotimi kwa asara wo pɛ ɛma kwan ma wodi de wo pɛ ɛma kwan nom de wo pɛ sɛ wo nom ɛma kwan ma wo dress the way a wo pɛ no. That democracy is at stake. Now no, we have part to play. I say Uncle JNANA prefers Ken. This statement means BAWUMIA. No. Me as an individual, no. The American don't me and family go see bonnet. They see I mini power win. I know. Even I'm not saying, but I know the person. Me say many me and Sana Akasa. Now I've told them who I know is going to win Saturday. Okay, but I'm saying all this. I'm saying they say because say Manfa JNANA and go sing China. The American, you know, obi because JNANA say stars and they say no. The stars are not Canadian. Because so here when I doing ordering. Transformation on ordering, but me as an individual and make a children. What I say. And I know who is going to win. Meaning me catch the doctor and no pay. Me catch the Mr. Say and no pay. My say I catch another doctor back because he passed to them I catch them who is going to win on Saturday. And then I can I've said it. But I made sure and I said because say me normal I be experience 8 years ago, no, I prefer say Canada Japan should lead. I'm speaking as an individual. Okay, Canada Japan should lead. Now, on also make sure you beat me because BAWUMIA was so close to governance during the MPP. Even though Ken is not a MP, but Canada Japan was so close and now closer to decision making. Until no maybe see a man Ghana here, and who you be a business person, what now we analysis from 2017 to 2024. Maybe a jump will be three. It was not very easy. See, so him one. My chair say, "Can I BAWUMIA obey you shoot this alphabet? GSKC. No, I use blue or jade green. These two things, you know, or the kind of normal from now we are up to 31st year. A bit changing many things for him. And yes, sir, on Bebon Bangarat. So also, and Canada Japan so green, yellow, or orange. And an alphabet APKRG. These are alphabets you can use it to influence his strength during what is going to happen in 31st January. No? But what do we do in China means as an individual and I make say, me and I'm paying this in PMPP. I'll be sincere with you. Or my meaning I'm poor myself. Because me feel say for 32 years, you know, or money if you're more Ghana. The my thing na no actually TV no me Ghana. I have not seen anything. To me say, or my meaning na no bomb homoding. I'm being sincere. But the air cause said BAWUMIA and Ken, no, I will prefer say Ken will win. Obviously, I'm confused now. Yes, I want to confuse you. Yes, I want to confuse you. Instead of being say, may I be a demi timonoso? Yeah, because me say them we are politics of Ghana. We say see, other person we say, I'll be breaking news about say yeah. Breaking news about this year. I'll be media house, no breaking news. On be you should not match system. Something a many time message you say until obi bia na obe track party bia so ko bia no because me kasa kakra bia na me be be say until track party bia still na no ade a person oye no ndi munya with means man making. Daddy, please, I would like to meet you. Because whom you are say Nana, I did all the calculations. Date of birth of Ken and date of birth for BAWUMIA. Can you do when? Okay, be also here numerology until fine. That's okay. This is a mechanic media, me who you better but my child will say, me dear, I am not MPP, I'm not NDC. But me share a move from 2017 to 2024. We are not correct. Diana, not a ton of 320,000, 3.2 billion, 2017, 3-bedroom. The same house, you know, at the end of 2024, not over ton, over to your best 17 billion, 1.7 million, and now 1.5 million, which is about 15 billion. Short time. Dollar never 4.2 something. I feel no, you're turning 17. That should tell you, baby, and to be an hour buying a binance away the economic manager to leader. Was I say a vice president and Okamubino? Now, I want to Japan or no young guy when you deal with but will be on here and Juma be drama for you, being a money by me as a practical person, no, because I may support token. Yeah. I didn't see no. Say me will be a may yes, me bomb pie will be a can of a barman. Me mobile me. I know BAWUMIA, like I'm saying, a very intelligent man. You guys don't know. That man, I read the IQ was so